I made croissants for the first time a few months ago, and they turned out okay. Good flavor, but the texture wasn't quite right, a little dense. I'd looked at a handful of recipes before settling on one to try, and there were variations. So I find myself wondering what makes croissants work. When done right, croissants are magical. The contrast between the flaky outside and tender buttery inside is like nothing else. And we romanticize authentic French croissants, but honestly, homemade croissants are more impressive. If you're a retail bakery, you have a giant mixer, blocks of butter pre-shaped, a dough sheeting machine does all the rolling for you super precisely, a proofing box controls humidity and temperature. Getting comparable results at home is a challenge. We have way less control over our kitchens and quality of ingredients. But based on my recipe scanning, I suspect some of the variables are more flexible than we're led to believe. There is more than one way to make good croissants. If you're looking for a classic recipe that follows the standard traditional methods, you won't find that here. Plenty of other people have done that way better than I could. I'm hoping to explore new territory, looking at croissants from different angles. I've done a few experiments already, as you can see, and I can tease results by saying there absolutely are some rules of croissants that are super important and other so-called rules that I think are overrated. I want to explore variations too. Can I laminate something other than butter? Could I make chocolate Oreos croissants or savory croissants? Whatever happens, I will share what I've learned after making what will probably end up being 20 batches of croissants or more. I'll let you know what I find out.